Welcome, dear students. I'm continuing the topic environmental sensitive genetic male sterility. Now here we have to deal with the hybrid seed production with the example in rice. As you know that this is known as two-line hybrid rice seed production, two-line system of hybrid rice seed production. How it is done, you see. As you know that here you require only two lines, one pollinator, one a male sterile, female line. So the EGMS line, you are growing 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows or 8 rows, what depending upon the capability of the pollinator, how much pollen grain it can produce. Depending on that, you are having 6 rows of EGMS, TGMS or PGMS, and 2 rows of fertile line. This is normal line, normal pollinator. This is sterile EGMS. Then 2 rows of pollinator, 6 or 8 rows of EGMS, 2 rows pollinator, 6 or 8 rows EGMS, 2 rows pollinator. Like this whole field you have grown like this for hybrid rice seed production. You need 200-meter isolation from all the sides of your field. At least 200-meter isolation distance you must have when you are using this system. Hybrid seed production is done in such environment. Which environment you require? Say for example, if you are using PGMS, so you must have more than 13 hours 45 minutes sunshine day length. Or if you are using TGMS, so depending upon the critical temperature of your EGMS line or TGMS line, if it is requiring 23 or 24 degrees Celsius, so temperature should be beyond. In that environment you are growing the hybrid rice seed production. So you are facilitating pollination as you are doing in 3-line system also. Here also you are facilitating pollination by rope or stick shaking during flowering time. You have to do that. So in this way you are producing the hybrid seed using EGMS system. You have very well seen that you require only 2 lines. How you are maintaining the parental lines? Parental lines means pollinator. Since it is normal, anywhere you can grow it and you can produce and you can maintain. Since it is male sterile, this is EGMS or TGMS or PGMS, so you have to grow that this EGMS in such area. If it is PGMS, so if it is having in the areas where you are getting lesser day length, lower day length then 13 hours 45 minutes, then you will be having self fertile selfing you will be having in that. Or if it is TGMS, so you must have to grow for maintaining the EGMS line by selfing. How? In the environment where the temperature is below the critical point. So you are growing. So you are requiring 2 environment. One environment for hybrid rice seed production, another environment for maintaining the parental lines. So every time you are requiring only 2 lines. So in that way you can see that what are the benefits of that. So you can see the advantages. Needs only 2 lines for hybrid seed production as well as for their maintenance. I have already described it. So this is reducing your complications. No need of maintainer or restorer lines. You don't require it. When you don't search, this pollinator should not be restored. Doesn't require restore. Even it doesn't require maintainer, because itself it can self-pollination of EGMS can be self-pollinated in another environment. So you don't require maintainer as well as restorer. So cost of hybrid seed production is reduced, you see. Since the production cost is reduced, so you are able to provide the hybrid seed to the farmers at cheaper price. It does not have cytoplasmic penalty, you have seen. You are not using the CGMS line or CMS lines. So you don't have the cytoplasmic penalty in this. So these are the advantages. Now you see the limitations. You have seen the limitations. What is that? It needs two different environments. One for hybrid seed production, another for parental line maintenance. Second, instability. This is a little bit problematic. Instability of MS genes under slight variable environmental conditions. If you are growing for hybrid rice seed production, if temperature, if you are using TGMS, if it is going below the critical where you are growing for hybrid rice seed production, you are thinking that it is going beyond that critical point. Of course, you have grown. For some period, if there is below temperature during flowering time, so many plants will become self-fertile. So that will create problem. So you have to be cautious for that. Once it is happening, your hybrid seed will not be used as a hybrid seed. So this is the limitations you see. So this is all about two-line system of hybrid seed production, or two-line hybrids, or EGMS, TGMS, PGMS. I have dealt almost every point of EGMS. I hope so. If something missing, I can upload another video. So this is all about EGMS. Thanking you very much.